Hey everyone, my name is Eliina and I'm an expert here at Zenfolio. In this video, I want to show you how to add media such as photos or videos to an existing gallery. Let's go ahead and look at this gallery, Forest and Grasslands, that I've already created. You'll see I've already uploaded a few photos when I created this gallery. However, I want to add some more. To do this, all I need to do is go over here and click the Add Media button. Alright, I've selected those files and clicked Open, and I can see they have started uploading in the activity monitor seen down here in the corner. Excellent. Our upload is completed, and I'm going to go ahead and click out this activity monitor. You'll see all the photos I've chosen displayed here, as well as the video, which you'll see is still processing. This is normal, as videos are going to take just a few more moments to reformat their display. Let's go ahead and wait just a few seconds for that to finish. Okay, perfect. Our video has finished processing, and you'll be able to see that displayed right here. And that's all there is to it, to add media, to upload photos and videos to an existing gallery. Let's go over a few more details about supported photos and videos. Our supported photo file formats are JPEG, PNG, GIF, and HEIC. The max file size per file is 100 megabytes. For our supported videos, we support MOV and MP4 files. The max file size per file is 3 gigabytes, and the max runtime is 20 minutes. Our recommended color profile for uploading photos is sRGB. As far as content we'll accept, we accept all types of content, from wildlife to nature and landscapes, to baby smash photos, bar mitzvahs and weddings, sports, school events, and more. Please know that R-rated content of any kind is prohibited. However, for photos that contain nudity, such as boudoir photos, we do accept these as long as they exhibit an artistic or social value and follow our guidelines. That concludes this video. If you have any other questions about this or anything else, please contact our support team anytime, either by chat or by email. Have a great day.